Hi, my name is Marsha Sims, professional organizer, and welcome to another Marsha Minute. Today's question is, every time I go into my favorite store, I buy another basket or tray for my office, which is jumbled up with holders. Which organizing tool will work best in my office to help me get organized? That question is great. And the reason is because it asks, how many of something do I need? How many organizers do I need to get my desk organized? How many baskets? How many trays? The same question could be asked about anything. How many papers do I need? How many file cabinet drawers do I need? How many clothes do I need in my closet? How many pair of jeans do I need? How many sneakers do I need? How many plates do I need? Years ago, I had a client who owned about 5 sets of dishware, the box sets that you get. And she said she didn't know which one was the best one and which one could I help her decide. She also had hats. I mean, hundreds of hats. She was going to a wedding and she didn't know which hat to get, so she bought all of them. The answer to that question is really a question. How many do you need? How many baskets or trays or desk holders do you need for what you need to store? If you have a small desk and you work from home, well, you don't need nearly as many as if you have a large desk or a company or 3 or 4 people working at a station. You buy and you keep based on what you need. Like I told you in another video about my client who had 11 staplers. Clearly too many staplers. So the question that I would have to ask her is, how many do you need to get the desired result? What is it that you're trying to store? My philosophy is organizing is about surfaces. If you clear off all the surfaces, everything looks great. So in that case, you wouldn't need very many baskets on your desk, maybe one, maybe two. But if you know exactly what you want to store on your desk and what goes in them and where things on your desk belong, well, then you make the plan first, and then you use the baskets to fulfill your plan. You don't get the baskets first and hope that they'll fit into a plan. My advice would be, find a place to store all these unused excess extra baskets and put them somewhere, not where you can see them, maybe in a room or a corner or an area or a garage or whatever you have, somewhere. Move them. Organize how you want your desk set up. For example, I'm right-handed. So maybe I would say, okay, the things that I need that I'm going to pick up with my right hand, I would want near me. I may keep a stapler. I may keep some writing utensils. I may keep paper clips, whatever I'm going to use a lot. I might want it there because it's more accessible. And then other things like my printer and paper for my printer and things like that would be on the other side. So if I decide I need a holder here for paper clips and my stapler and things like that, well, then I need a holder for that. That's one holder, not a plethora of holders. So there is no such thing as too much. It's, what do you need? What do you like? What makes you feel good? What is usable, or what do you need to store what you need to put in there? That's how you make the decision, not based on, oh, I like this basket, I'll bring it home and figure out how to use it. Or, oh, I like these jeans, I don't know if I need jeans or not, I'll just bring them home and see if I can fit them into my already overstuffed closet. We overbuy all kinds of things in our culture. I've been where people have overbought everything. We overbuy, we overacquire because we like everything. Liking everything is no reason to keep everything. If the baskets are because you just are madly in love with baskets, go to Pinterest, find other uses for your baskets. but they're not for organizing. They're because you like them. Thanks for letting me share today. This has been another Marsha Minute. If you have a question that you would like me to answer in the Marsha Minute, please fill it out in the form below and ask the question. I'm happy to answer your questions here in the Marsha Minute. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.